USA, North America, calling CQ.
This is 19, Mike Echo X-ray 001. The signal report is 5 by 858 in the Netherlands. Mike to you.
QSL, very good, Netherlands. Your station is booming in here. I heard you on 555. Had to come down here. You're 5 by 7, 5 by 8, and 5 by 9. Good signal. You got operator Ken, Kilo Echo November. We located in the state of Tennessee. There, QSL.
Yeah, QSL Ken. Well, you're doing a fine job here. 5 8. In 14 division from you are 5 and 2, 52 at the moment, but seems to be that we have good propagation. The personal here is 6 This is the personal, and I'm located here near Amsterdam.
QSL, QTH, my QTH is, I am 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City, located about 20 miles north of Music City in Nashville, Tennessee. The operator name is Ken, and the numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Back to you.
QSL, Ken. Well, like I say, we have good propagation to 2 division, 10 division, 9 division at the moment. I hear all the afternoon already signals from the USA. Working condition here, by the way, is nice and 3-element LFA beam. And you are actually the today from to the USA, over.
QSL, yes, it seemed to, everything's opening up real good this morning. It's morning time here in the state of Tennessee, and propagations out of Europe have really been picking up really strong. No problems whatsoever hearing Europe coming in very strong this morning. No, QSL.
QRM from Russian stations on false mics that we usually have. And it's by the way 4:15 in the afternoon here in the Netherlands. A little bit later on we got some good stations the more distant DX. And we are coming into Thailand. After a while, 9 division came through, and now it's filled with 2 division. So great propagation like we have since last week Friday. It started then, and hopefully we can keep up like this. Over.
Hey, QSL, yes, it has been some really good conditions for about a week and a half now on our end. Your numbers are 19 Mike Echo X-ray. I did not get all the numbers. Let me jot those down while I can. QSL.
That's causing some QRM. He's on, or 2 kilohertz, he's on the 547, so it's a bit difficult to pick you out. Not sure what the station is from, but it's good to hear here this afternoon. Like I say, hopefully we keep up with propagation. I do recall last year about in October we had 4 weeks of craziness on the radio with propagation almost every day to the USA, to you guys. So hopefully we have the same here this year, but not sure about it. But we have a good start here. The WH, by the way, in the Netherlands is we have some overcast now, but the temperature is about 17, 18 degrees Celsius, and we have just one more day of pretty good weather that we are definitely getting to the top of the side here.
QSL. Well, we've had some really cold weather here last night. It got down to the 40s down here, so it looks like our winter time is starting to approach us. We had some weather change from the hurricane. There was a small tropical storm that came into the state of Louisiana, but it did not affect us as much. Just got some cooler weather. Looks like it's going to be cool weather all week, so we definitely approaching fall. I hope conditions are very, very strong here this winter, and we can make contact over into your country, the QSO.
QSO, hopefully the weather doesn't flip over or does too much damage, but you never know. But it seems to be very good for the propagation, for the opening. Yeah, I'm hoping that it will keep up till this evening. Hopefully we get some longer distances also, what I actually have been looking for. This is also pretty far, no problem with that, but yeah, it's nice to
my friend, it's a pleasure making a contact with you. 19 Mike Echo X-Ray 001 out of Netherlands. All the good numbers to you, my friend. You sounded good out here in the state of Tennessee. Sometimes the propagations was dropping off, but it's always good to talk to your country. It's been a pleasure. All the good numbers to you, and congratulations on your audio. Sounding really, really good. And we'll be listening for you here this winter time and see how we can do on the propagation. All the good numbers from my country to yours. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 Tennessee. We thank you.
The audio from your side is also no problem as well. We have been loud and clear copy here. Good to hear you, and hopefully till the next coming, maybe days, hours, months. You never know when you'll happen. Bye-bye.
Okay, my friend. Catch you later.